guys, welcome back to my channel. What's going on, everybody? So in today's video, guys, as the video title suggests, I'm going to be showing you how to make money with online transcription and captioning step by step. I want by the end of this video you be sure to know where to find transcription jobs and how to get transcription jobs. So without further ado, let's get into the video. This is day 3, yeah, of 31 days of growth. So in transcription, this is whereby you get to be given a video or an audio. For example, I can give you this audio, and then you convert the audio or the video into text. So you're going to be given a video, and then you're told whatever is being said there, type it, okay? For example, I can do this audio or this video, and then I want maybe to write a book on how to become an online transcriber, but now I want a book and I have the audio, so I look for somebody and then give them that job. So that's all about transcription. And let me tell you guys, this is a very good job because it pays well. It actually pays you per hour, or depending with the length of the audio. So if an audio is maybe 1 hour long, they actually pay mostly per minute or per hour. So if it's 10 minutes long, you can negotiate on the price. Mostly transcribers get paid between $10 to $50. That is 1,000 Kenyan shillings to 5,000 Kenyan shillings per hour. Yes, so this is a very good side hustle because you're getting paid per hour, so you don't have to do it as your 9 to 5 job. You do it as a side hustle. So you can sacrifice maybe 2 hours after you're done with your main job and do them. So you're going to need 2 things to become an online transcriber. So you'll need headphones or earphones. Headphones are good because you hear clearly, you know, you're using your ears. Actually, it's all about your ears and your hands. So you'll need earphones or headphones and a laptop so that you can type whatever you're hearing. But then you'll need a very quiet room because you want to hear each and everything. So make sure if you are doing this job, do it in a quiet place so that you can't miss any word. So now, how do you find transcription jobs in Kenya or in whichever country you're in? I'm going to tell you how to find jobs and sites you can get jobs. So you only find jobs if you apply. This is a very serious, you know, kind of side hustle. So you have to apply because actually nobody knows you want a job unless you apply. So you're going to apply, and after you apply, you're going to be given a kind of an interview. But the good thing is that you can do this interview online, and it only entails, mostly it's 2 parts. The first part is where you are asked to give, maybe you're given a test to check your grammar. So make sure when you're doing this test, you do perfectly because you want to be given a job. So you have to know how to write well. If it's an English transcription job, you have to know grammar. If it's Kiswahili, the same. And by the way, try and do more of Kiswahili transcription jobs because they are not so competitive. English, everybody knows English. So after you pass the first grammar part, you're now given an audio to listen to and write whatever you hear. Let me tell you guys, if you want to pass this, don't you know, give out the audio, the first transcription you do. Make sure you revisit it. So listen to the audio twice and counter check. Before you even start typing, first listen to the audio, and then now you can start typing after you listened to it. You are now familiar with it. And then now, before you know, upeane your assignment ama your test, go through it, proofread it. Just in case there is any error, you can correct it, okay? Yeah, so that's the easiest way to pass a test, a transcription test. Now, after you passed, you're good. So just in case you're wondering, the sites that actually give transcription jobs in Kenya or in any country. I'm going to give you the ones for Kenya because these ones are the ones I know of that I've seen my friends try and they succeeded. For me, guys, let me tell you a fun thing. I once tried a transcription job, but the problem now, I got a transcription from Hindi. It wasn't easy or kusikiza hizo ma English zao, but you have to be careful. That's why I'm telling you guys, if you want to do a transcription job, make sure you are in a quiet room, a silent room, so that it can be easy for you to hear everything and to listen. You need to be so accurate. So some of the sites that actually give transcription jobs in Kenya that you can go and try your luck, try to do the interview, and you know you can pass. One of my favorite is Transcribe Me. We also have Go Transcript, and we have Transcription Hub, Verbit, QA World. So in all those sites you'll find transcription jobs. I have done a video on transcription sites that pay, so you guys can check that video. I'll make sure it's up here on suggested videos so that you can just click. If you see that thing, just tap on it and then go. It will give you tips on how to get to all these transcription sites, how to easily get a job from those transcription sites. I have talked about transcription so many times on my videos, so I don't think I'm going to say a lot. You guys can go and try your luck. So you guys, please support me by liking these videos. Keep on liking these videos so that I can continue posting. So make sure to like this one also. I know people really do support me and I appreciate. If you have any questions, comment down below. Maybe there is something I've left out about transcription, or maybe there's something you need to know about transcription. Just comment down below and ask me. I'll be answering all your questions. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I also share side hustles there, especially on my Insta stories. So go to my Instagram and follow me so that you won't miss on any side hustles that I post there. In the meantime, keep on liking these videos of 31 days of growth. I hope by the end of the 31 days you'll have, you know, one side hustle. And yeah, I can't wait for 31 days to be over so that I can hear what you guys think, and you know, so that I can see if anyone has tried any side hustle. So see you guys in my next video, which is tomorrow, and you know, keep on liking the videos. Until next time, until tomorrow, bye guys.